Today we make classic German potato salad. So it's not sausage we're going to make today. It's more an everyday German recipe. So this is a classic recipe from the area where I live. It might be different in other parts of the country, so I hope there are not too many people telling me it's not potato salad I'm making here. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, we got here some wieners, we got a couple eggs, potatoes, medium hot mustard, we got some mayonnaise, some onions, dill pickles. Here we got some heavy cream. Recipe will be on my blog. You know exactly what ingredients you need. Okay, first we have to whisk together all the liquid parts, like the heavy cream, what's already in there, the mayonnaise, the medium hot mustard, and we need 3 teaspoons of the liquid from the dill pickles. So that also goes in there. 2. Okay, it goes in there. The rest of the part, the onions, the cut up dill pickles, and the spring onion. Well, usually we do chives in there, but the spring onion was there and I didn't have any chives, so I put that in there. That will do. I think it's more for the color than for the taste. See, it's very easy. It's just mixing everything together. Okay, you have to cut the potatoes. I just do another knife. Yeah, I cooked them pretty soft, so a little bit earlier out of the water would be better, I guess. This is good for smashed potatoes. Guess it's too small. Okay. At last, wiener. Okay, everything is in there now. And now the problems begin. I don't think so. I got a bigger one here, so. This salad goes good, or goes on the barbecue with every kind of meat. You can get this as side. Some pepper. Some salt. Well, I would suggest black pepper is about a quarter teaspoon, something like that. A little bit more salt. I add another teaspoon of the pickle water, or the pickle juice. Because the potato will take up a lot of liquid. So like I said, don't cook the potatoes too long so they get too soft and fall apart when you stir them. I think 20 to 25 minutes cooking would be perfect. So this is the classic potato salad. It has to rest for 3 to 6 hours before using. Keep it in the cooler. The potatoes have to take up the juice and the taste of the rest of the salad. That takes some time. So if you prepare in the morning, you got for your barbecue at night a nice or side. Okay, I gotta try something before somebody says, well, he's not eating his own potato salad. Give it some time and then try it and see if you get or need a little bit extra pepper and salt, but that's up to you. Try it and figure out what works best for you. I'm sure this is a great siding for your barbecue. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you back in the little guest house in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.